Why do people fear stepping into the fort after dark? Singhia, a powerful sorcerer who practiced black magic. Some say they have seen shadowy figures moving through the ruins. Deep within the Aravalli hill of Rajasthan lies a fortress with a dark secret, a place where the whisper of the past echo through the ruins, where locals refused to enter after sunset and where a chilling legend has lived on for centuries. This is the story of the Bhangar Fort, India's most haunted place. The Bhangar fort was built in the 16th century by the Raja Bhagwant Das, a ruler of Amber, for his son Madho Singh I. This grand fort was once a thriving kingdom filled with magnificent palaces, temples, and bustling markets. It was a place of prosperity, culture, and strength. However, today all that remains are its ruins, silent witnesses to a tragic past. But why did this mighty kingdom fall into ruin? Why do people fear stepping into the fort after dark? The answer lies in an age old curse. One of the most legends surrounding Bhangan Fort is the tragic tale of Princess Ratnavati. She was known for her breathtaking beauty and grace, attracting many suitors from far and wide. But among them was a man with dark intentions, Singhia, a powerful sorcerer who practiced black magic. Singhia knew that he could never win the prince's heart, so he devised a sinister plan. Using his knowledge of dark magic, he enchanted a bottle of perfume, hoping that if the princess used it, she would be under his spell and fall in love with him. But the princess, wise and intuitive, saw through the sorcerer's trick. She threw the bottle onto a nearby boulder, and in an instant, the cursed perfume took effect on the rock itself. As Singhia took his last breath, he cursed the kingdom of Bhangar, dooming it to destruction and ensuring that no soul would ever find peace within its walls. Shortly after the sorcerer's death, a great tragedy struck the Bhangar. Neighboring kingdom waged the war against them. The battle was fierce, and in the chaos, Princess Ratnavati and many of her people were killed. Some say it was the sorcerer's curse that led to their downfall. Since then, the Bhangar has remained abandoned, feared, and shrouded in mysteries. Even today, the locals believe that the spirits of the fallen still haunt these ruins. Over the centuries, countless stories of paranormal activities have surfaced. Visitors claim to hear the strange whispers, footsteps, and even the blood curdling scream. Some say they have seen shadowy figures moving through the ruins, while others have felt an unseen force pushing them away. Even the Archaeological Survey of India has placed a notice at the entrance, warning people not to enter after the sunset. But why? What happens inside the fort at night? Could the spirits of the cursed kingdom still roam these halls? Many who dared to stay overnight have mysteriously disappeared or returned traumatized, never speaking of what they saw. Is it merely superstition, or does something truly supernatural lurk in the shadows? While the legends make for a thrilling tale, historians believe that the real reason behind the Bhangar's downfall was more practical. The fort, built too close to the Sariksha Tiger Reserve, may have suffered from natural disasters, battles, or lack of resources. But despite the logical explanations, the air, atmosphere, and unexplained occurrences continue to fuel the fort's haunted reputation. Fact or fiction, Bhangar remains one of India's greatest mysteries. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, One thing is certain, this fort has a past that refuses to be forgotten. So, what do you think? Is Bangar Fort truly cursed, or is it just a tale passed down through generations? Have you ever visited this mysterious place? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Lara's Ancient Tales for more fascinating stories from the past. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.